Crafty Angels. I am here with a project share for the Flamingo Fridays 2022 collaboration group. And for week 1, we used the collage page from Miss Kara Brandon, and the inside is all Miss Julie. Okay, so what I done is I took Kara's page, I inked it up. Oops, I'm too high up. And I folded it in half. Now, I took some bigger pieces from Dear Julie. I gotta fix this because it's kind of like upside down. I know. And made a pocket here. Put a little label here. And we got our journaling card here. And over here we got a double pocket with 2 more journaling cards. So that is my project for week number 1 for the Flamingo Fridays 2022 collaboration group. Please be kind, be safe, be crafty, be positive, be blessed, and I will see you all in the next video and on our flip side. If you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye.